everyone, it's me. I did get it hooked up. And you know what? It said it was a used model. I don't think it was ever used. I honestly don't, because you don't see any scratches on it or anything. Because here it is. So I actually have two CD players. So supposedly the remote works on this. It says no disc. I have no idea which way they go in. Because this is different than the Sony CD changer I had. I think that's the right way. Oh, it does work. So let's see if this one still works. Because this Mega CD storage has what is called you can plug in a second CD player. It's not taking the second one. So I bet. But it does work. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day.